Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join us today. This week we'll be making a dragon out of pipe cleaner. The first thing you're going to want to do is make a coil. I found it was getting a little difficult, so I used a glue stick as a guide. If you don't have a glue stick, you could use anything that's round. It may take a few pipe cleaners to get the shape you want. Make sure if you add more that you twist together at the ends. Now you can see I took it off of my guide and I'm just using my eyes and my hands to try to get the shape that I want. Now I'm making a head by making a point at one end and wrapping more pipe cleaner around it. Now you can kind of start to see the dragon. The next thing I'm going to do is add legs. I did this by putting another piece of pipe cleaner through the coil, like you can see here, and just cutting the legs to the length that I wanted. Now that you've got your legs, we're going to add a tail. I did this kind of the same way, by looping one through to the back and then wrapping the extra around the body to give it some extra support. Make sure that whenever you add a new pipe cleaner, you twist together the ends so it doesn't fall apart. The next thing we're going to do is add some color. I cut up some yellow pipe cleaner and made some horns the same way by looping them through, and then I twisted some around the bottom of the feet. And I added some to the tail. You don't have to do this step, but I decided to add some googly eyes to give him some more of a face. Now he's really starting to look like a dragon, but he wouldn't be a dragon if we didn't add wings. I used the yellow pipe cleaner again, and I just bent it into the shape that I wanted. You could get creative with the shape or the color of the wings if you wanted to. You can see I just used the first one I made as a guide for the second. Then we're twisting the ends, and we'll attach those in kind of the same way by just looping them through the body. And there we go, our dragon. Don't forget to check out the rest of the series and tune in next week where we'll keep reading Irish stories, learning new words from the Irish language, and making more crafts. Until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán!